going on, family? Back for another episode of Build and Destroy Daily. I'm TC, and I'm going to show you how to build a Kinara. This is a candle holder for the Kwanzaa holiday, okay? We're going to use poplar wood today, as a tribute to the Nina Simone song, Strange Fruit. If you know, you know. You understand? All right, so we have a 1x3" piece here. We're going to use that for the base. And the other piece is a 2.5" by 2.5", or 2" by 2". We'll use that, cut it into 7 pieces, and create our candle holders with that. Okay, you can get this wood from any of your big box stores here. So first, we need to get our protection, our PPE, our gloves, our goggles. Okay, we need our hearing protection. Got the over the ear, circummural ear muffs there, and we need a dust mask just to make sure we don't inhale any of the foolishness. Okay. Make our first cut. We want to make sure that the blade can, once we make the cut, let the blade stop spinning before we lift it back up. Okay. So we'll do, make all our cuts here. Basic stair-step design for our candle holders. The 2 outside is 2 inches, then 2.5, then 3 inches, then 3.5 in our centerpiece there. Okay. Next, we want to cut our base. I believe we did a 10.5" base on there, and we had a 1/4" on each side of the candle holders. So we want to cut that. Right. Next, we want to make a center point on our candle holder so that we have a good base mark to drill into the center of and get it as centered as possible. We want to use the drill press here. I went slow. If I were you, I would go slow. I don't have a big fancy drill press. I got this from a small tool center, but it worked good for me. But you want to repeat this 7 times. I'm only showing you one of them here. I forgot to record myself using a router to give ourselves an OG edge. But use your router, give yourself any type of edge profile on the base that you would like. Then you can sand it up smooth. I use the 80 grit first. I don't use the 150 and 220 until later on when I finish. I decided to put my name in the piece, just a TC. We want to glue everything together, well, at least the candle holders for now. I'm going to glue all that up. Okay, make sure you glue the correct side of the blocks. Okay, I just use my finger. You can use a small paintbrush if you need to. Be sure to use wood glue. Don't use any other type of glue. You want to clamp these together also. I lined it up off camera. Okay. Get it nice and clamped tight. You want to let it sit. I let it sit for about 1.5 hours. Okay. You want to get a good sand on there. Using the 80 grit still here, just for a rough sand, and to kind of flatten things out too, because I didn't get a perfect alignment when I clamped it. Now we want to glue the candle holders to the base. Okay. Get that clamped together and let that sit for a few hours if you need, just to make sure it's good and dry. Stain, as you can see here. I let the stain sit and then wiped it off for maybe 7 minutes. I let it sit and dry overnight though. Okay, just to make sure everything was everything. Plus it's kind of cold. The cooler it is outside, the longer it'll take to dry. Now you can see I made some mistakes here with the the glue up. So if you have too much glue, when it dries, the stain won't exactly stick to it the way you want it to stick. Well, it won't stick to it at all, really. The stain is for wood, so you will have these light patches. Okay, get it raised up after we seal it up, and there you have it, your candle holder, Kinara, for the Kwanzaa holiday. You're ready to celebrate. Thanks for watching.